What's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to do a quick repair or attempt to repair the muffler on this Ruckus. The other day we were riding and it was super loud and I looked down and the muffler had snapped right there. So I've taken it off and I've cleaned it up, ground it up, prepped this, and I'm going to attempt to do a repair. So let me show you what it sounds like before. That's what it sounds like before. For this repair, I'm going to use a little bit of JB Weld Extreme Heat. I've cleaned up both ends of the pipe where it was broken. I've ground it down, smoothed it out, ready to go. And I've also rigged up a couple of extra pieces of metal that's going to help clamp it together. I'm going to put it around the pipe.
Fixing the pipe?
Yeah.
Where's Mom?
I'm fixing the muffler, this Ruckus.
Cool.
Remember how loud it was?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's Mom?
Yeah. There we go. Got the Yamaha XC225, the Honda Trail 90, and the Ruckus. We got to get the Ruckus going. Mom went to pick up the veggies. Where'd you guys go?
To the pool. Well, thank you.
What'd you do at the pool? Just jump in?
You want some cookies?
You got cookies?
Bee.
No.
There's a bee. Ah. Where's the muffler?
This part right here is the muffler. And this is the pipe that goes along here and then under to the out from the engine. Yeah, get out of there. What are you eating?
A cookie.
Felony cookies? What are you eating? Chester's Flamin' Hot Fries. So we're ready to put this JB Weld on here.
Dad, what time is it? Dad, what time is it?
I don't know. Well, 11:40.
And do you want to go to my game? Actually, yeah. I also don't. What? Mine, do you want to do the activity? Because it ends at 2, the activity.
What's the activity?
It's for kids. Well, Mia signed up for helping this activity.
For helping?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm grading one to go. Wear my uniform at 12.
Okay.
I'm gonna wear it for like 2 hours straight. Dad, when's my next game?
Probably next Saturday. I think I've put that on pretty good. Trying to get all the way around. Okay, I think I've put a whole bunch on there. It's starting to set already. Okay, we're gonna let that sit for 24 hours before I try to start it, because the pressure from the exhaust system to the muffler could just push the JB Weld out and break any of the seal that might be created there. Crossing fingers that this works. Okay, it's been a few hours since I put on this JB Weld around this brake in the muffler, and it's very solid, very hard. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a test and see if it sealed up the muffler. That's what it sounds like before. Listen to that. Yeah, baby. I had these on here, but I'm not going to use them. I'll just trim those off later. Pretty good fix. So if you have a broken muffler on Ruckus, mine broke because these two bolts here, one had come off, and I think it was just too much pressure on this hinge here, and it just cracked right there. So the muffler sounds normal now. Everything's working good. There was a little smoke coming out of the engine or the muffler area. Maybe it was just the JB Weld or just from being apart for a while. But anyway, everything's working good. Sounds the same as always. Normal muffler sound. So we're back in action with this Honda Ruckus. It's a 2012. My kid's driving around. I drive it around town sometimes. By the collection. Got a Coleman CC100X. I got a bunch of videos about that one. This Yamaha 80. That's been a lot of fun. This is my Yamaha XT225 that I love. And this Honda Trail 90, which is a lot of fun. So, yeah. So, have a good one. Peace.